Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is a slightly unusual video. This is to add to my videos all about this, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm recording this on my selfie screen on my phone, so the picture is going to be awful, but I wanted you to see the rig up that I have today just to test out. I've got an Ulanzi Falcam backpack clip and a FLYMILE cage, magnetic mount cage for the DJI Pocket 3, and I'm using the DJI Mimo app, or is it Mimo app? I can never get it right. And I'm using that to frame it up, because obviously I can't see what the camera can see, but I'm going to give you a point of view shoot just to show you how this backpack clip can help. So I've got loud trains behind me. Wow. I'm running the Pocket 3 at 4K and 24 frames per second just to give it a little cinematic look, and I'm using the Santander Cycle Hire e-bike, the electric bike. That's what we're going to be using today, and I just wanted to show you what kind of footage you can get from this camera. I've also tucked under here, I've got the Creator Combo, so under here is the DJI Mic 2. So I'm hoping that I'm using that as the sound that you can hear now. But it's a bit strange because this is 30 frames per second, this is 24 frames per second. This probably doesn't look great. This is the shot that we want to be seeing. I'm going to stop my phone now. So I've used the quick release button, touch the screen. I just used the quick release button here to release the plate that is stuck to the FLYMILE magnetic mount, and that means I can take it on and off easily from this backpack clip. All this video is going to be is sights and sounds from the DJI Pocket 3. I can now clip you on and take you along for the ride. So there's like a plate on the back. Well, it's not very straight, is it? I've not done it very tight. That could be interesting. And it just slots onto this backpack clip. I'm trying to do it while I'm holding the phone. So when I'm in London, I'm working in London at the moment, and I'm using these Santander bikes that are more commonly known to older people like me as Boris bikes, the blue London bikes. Whoa. And you pay extra for the electric, so I thought I'd give you a better ride-along experience. This down. I'm going to the cycle lane here. We're just behind Southwark Station, near Waterloo. I come into Waterloo. There's a nice docking station behind the Southwark tube station there. And this looks a bit quiet. It's usually really busy, but I think the traffic lights bunch the cyclists together. So when we get a bunch approaching, I'll probably go quiet. But this is the sound quality. I'm shooting at 4K and 24 frames per second. I can see on the DJI app, I can see the shots that I'm getting. And I've got the screen turned off. Oh, it's looking a bit low, isn't it? Let's tilt it up a bit. I think that's looking a bit low. I'm going to use the joystick just to push it up a bit. That's better. Let's try something like that. Probably just missed the traffic lights there. Yeah, I'm going really fast. Yeah, I've set it so the monitor screen turns off after 15 seconds. So while I'm wearing it, it looks like it's switched off. I'm going to go over Blackfriars Bridge now. There's about 30 bikes behind me. A red light coming up. Oh, it's gone green. Trying to avoid the iron furniture in the road. It can sometimes throw you off. And Blackfriars Bridge looking beautiful this morning. I won't lift the camera up. I've got a view of the city on my right hand side and River Thames on my left. Going down to Big Ben and the London Eye. Coming up to Unilever's headquarters. Blackfriars Station on the right. I've got the fluffy windshield on the wireless mic. Get some aggressive bike riding. We'll see some of that this morning, I think. Just trying to hold a steady course, not hit anything in the road. Take it easy. Just want to get there in one piece. I want the camera to get there in one piece as well. So we're coming up to Farringdon Street. So lights have turned green. Over Ludgate Circus. I think we've got a diversion ahead as well, so we held at some temporary traffic lights. Oh, that's unfortunate. The truck got held. There we go. We'll come up Farringdon Street. We're being diverted onto the street from the cycle lane. I think we'll have long waits here. I'll let you enjoy the pitch quality and sound quality. Might check the app. Just seen I have 9% left, so I wonder if we should pause it. Well, let's see how long it lasts. It started at about 60%. I don't know if it's going to last the whole journey. It might cut out. I didn't realise quite how much more the 4K uses. I did the same journey yesterday and it took 60% of the battery, but that was at 1080p. Oh, here we go. There's some building work on the left-hand side here. I don't know if the app used it, connecting to the camera might have used some battery on the camera to feed the footage to my phone. We'll go back onto the cycle lane here, I think. All the Lycra Larrys in black are choosing not to use the cycle lane. Why wouldn't you want to use this? It's gorgeous. And we're going to turn right here to go past Smithfield Meat Market, currently being redeveloped into the Museum of London. I wonder if I can unclip it. Ooh, that doesn't feel. Oh dear. Hang on. Oh no. The plate's gone loose. I do not want this to fall off. 600 quid's worth of camera. Let's see if we can take it off. Over here, I've got a 2-stage right-hand turn here, so I'll stop here. I'm just going to check the plate. So it's easy to release the plate. So just the plate that's on the back that attaches it to the backpack clip has come loose. Probably should have tightened it with a coin or something, but put it back on. Here we go. I'll give you an interesting shot because it's gone green. I might pull in over here. Do not want to drop this. Let's pull in. Whoa. So I don't know how much battery I've got left. Let's have a look. Oh, this is 62%. Oh, maybe it's the microphone battery that's gone. Okay, so I'm 62%. Oh, we've got ages. We're good. Let's go back onto the backpack clip. Let's try that. Okay, so I'm getting a battery warning on the MIMO app screen, but I think that might actually be for the microphone. So actually the battery is really good on the Pocket 3, even at 4K. I've got mixed up. I started at 70%, got some building work in the background. Started off at 70% and it's only at 63% now. After all that filming, about 15 minutes of filming. That's really good news. What I'll do then, I'll probably go all the way to Barbican. I was going to drop it off here. Oh, please don't walk in front of me on a red light. There you go. I think the camera might be a bit low. Let's see if I can adjust it while I'm moving. I can see it pointing down. Let's take it up a bit. There we go. It's quite easy to adjust the camera with the 5D joystick. I'll push it all the way up. Here we go. Oh, that's a bit too high. Just doing it by eye. There we go. So that was Smithfield. That might be a bit high. Should I tilt it down a little? Let's go there. Difficult to charge. That's what I heard, a bike behind me. And here we are at Aldersgate. I'm going to cross the road. Oh look, completely empty docking station. This is I think my favourite docking station in London, because it's right by where I'm working and it's always empty. Absolutely brilliant. I'm going to just cycle to the central reservation and bunny hop over. Hey. And we'll dock it here. Here we go. Then I undock the camera. Oh. Hang on, come back to me. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be. So yeah, I don't know what I was doing with the battery. I think what I could see on the app was a warning light for the microphone battery. We're now at 59%. think that worked really well. What do you think? I'm not sure I framed it correctly, but I just wanted to give you a sense of how the footage looks using a backpack clip in a urban cycling situation. So what do you think? Would you use the DJI Pocket 3 in this kind of situation? You're thinking about getting a backpack clip. I'm not a photographer, so these are usually used by photographers to hold their camera while they're walking around. So to actually use it as a mount for cycling, it's something that I've always wanted to do. And I don't know, I haven't seen the results yet, but I think I've got a sense this might actually work for me for my cycle vlogs. Thanks for letting me know what you think in the comments below, and thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next. Oh, I'm out of breath.